This video is an introduction to private fostering and explains what it is and what support is available. An arrangement is considered to be private fostering if it has these characteristics. The child is being cared for by someone other than the parent or close relative. The arrangement is made privately, without the involvement of the local authority. The child is under the age of 16 or under 18 if they have a disability. The arrangement lasts for 28 days or more. The arrangement is continuous. If, for example, the child goes home to stay with their parents every weekend, then this would not be private fostering. A private foster carer could be an extended family member such as a cousin or great aunt, a family friend, or the parents of the child's friend, or someone who is unrelated to the family but willing to privately foster the child. Under the Children Act 1989, you cannot be a private foster carer if you are a relative, such as a grandparent, sibling, an aunt or uncle, or a step-parent. Similarly, it is not private fostering if the person caring for the child is an approved foster carer. There are a number of reasons why a child might be privately fostered. They may be estranged from their parents might be ill or in prison, or they may be from overseas and attending school while staying with a host family. If you know a child is being privately fostered, then you should inform Gloucestershire County Council's Friends and Family team. Private fostering notifications are often underreported, leaving children in these arrangements potentially vulnerable and at risk. The parent or the person who will be looking after the child needs to notify the Gloucestershire County Council's Friends and Family team as soon as they know about the arrangement and no later than 48 hours after it starts. Anyone else involved with the child, such as teachers, social workers, or health professionals who become aware that a child is being privately fostered, have a responsibility to let us know. It is important to notify the council because although private fostering can be a really positive experience for children, some arrangements are not as safe as they should be, and some children could be vulnerable to abuse and neglect. Sometimes children living in private fostering arrangements are also on child in need plans. If this is the case, a private fostering social worker and a children's social worker will both need to be involved. When notified of a private fostering arrangement, a private fostering social worker from Gloucestershire County Council's Friends and Family team will visit to make sure the accommodation is suitable for a child, complete an assessment making sure that the child is well and that the arrangement is safe, undertake checks and references such as DBS checks, speak to the child alone to hear their wishes and feeling about the arrangement. Speak to the private fostering carer and all the members of the household and make sure that no one is legally disqualified from looking after children. Speak to the parent or person who has parental responsibility, if this is possible, to seek their views about the arrangement. At this point, the team will make sure that everyone knows how long the child will be staying, the financial arrangements, how decisions are made for the care of the child, and how often they will see their parents. Most importantly, for the children, if the arrangement is unsuitable or unsafe, the team have the authority to end it. The team is also there to support the private foster carers. They can offer training to the carers if they need it, offer advice regarding health services, education and benefits, and provide support under Section 17 of the Children Act 1989 if there is a need that is not being met by other agencies. If the arrangement is for the long term, after the first assessment visit, a member of the team will need to visit at least every 6 weeks for the first year. After that, visits are needed every 12 weeks. More visits can be requested by the carer if they need more support. Visits will continue until the child or young person reaches their 16th birthday or 18th if they have a disability. If the child is in the arrangement when they reach this age, they may qualify for additional support from the council. It is a legal requirement to notify the Friends and Family Assessment and Support team of a private fostering arrangement. For more information about private fostering, please contact the Friends and Family Assessment and Support team.